So, yesterday, I went to the cinema and watched Five Breakups and a Romance by Alden Richards and Julia Montes. No? I chose to watch the movie after a few years of not watching any movie in the cinema kasi nga naghanap ako ng breather, no? Sa stress, sa siguro pinagdadaanan natin problema, and perhaps we wanted to unwind and to look for some space na magbibigay sa atin ng pagkakataon na perhaps to be in silence and to just watch a movie. And good thing that I chose that movie kasi it was a light but very entertaining movie as it relates to most of us. Ang ganda ng setting, ng cinematography, ang ganda ng palitan ng linyahan, ang gagaling ng actors and actresses, no? Ang gusto ko sa movie is ang daming twist, ang daming tanong. There were so many questions that you would be asking live, but parang binitin tayo ng movie. But that's what I like about that movie. Kasi nga unpredictable and very realistic yung nangyari dun sa movie. Well, first siguro na i-review ko dun sa movie is number one, dun sa parte ng nung una nagkakilala si Justin and si Lance sa Singapore, and pumorma si Lance kang Justin. Well, ang masasabi ko doon sa part na yon is kung hindi naman talaga seryoso ang tao or wala kayong balak na panindigan ang desisyon ninyo, right from the very beginning, huwag nyo na lang subukan or simulan. Don't start something that you cannot end. And don't enter into a relationship that you would not be making it to the end, till the end, no? So, nananahimik naman ang buhay doon ni Justin. Maganda yung kanyang career as brand manager. She's into fashion and she's doing good and earning good in Singapore. Yet, here comes Lance with some sort of miserable life and so many questions and what ifs in life na pinasok niya si Justin sa buhay niya and sinubukan nila na to be in a relationship. Then, dumating yung parting siguro nagkakalabuan na sila at marami ng problema because they became so comfortable with each other, and Justin chose to go back to the Philippines to be with Lance and help Lance finish his studies kasi nag-aaral siya ng medical course. Doon naman sa part na yon, I think masasabi ko is normal sa bawat relasyon na dumaan sa ganong klaseng pagkakataon kasi nga not every day in a relationship is a happy together day or a sweet day. Dadaan talaga sa relasyon, parte ng relasyon ninyo na nagiging komportable ng isa sa isa. Sometimes you do not know already anong dapat gawin, or may hinihingi ang isa na hindi niya sinasabi, ngunit gusto niyang maintindihan mo at malaman mo. Ikaw naman, hindi mo naman mabasa kasi nga you cannot read everything about the person's personality. And we do not know each other's going through, no? Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa sa atin. Kaya siguro dun sa parting yun nagkulang yung komunikasyon. They lack the communication with one another, and worse, they chose to be in silence, no? To be silent with what they feel and what they felt from the relationship. Kaya nagkaroon ng ganong klaseng problema. Doon naman sa parteng pangatlo, sa phase naman na hindi nila alam kung mahal pa nila isa't isa, or andun pa yung siguro yung pagmamahal pero hindi na healthy for them to continue the relationship. Away bate, they chose to be in one condo, they live together, but yun nga, nalaman ni Justine na nagloko si Lance and cheated on her once, or baka hindi nga once, no? Several times with with Lance's ex. Kaya nagkaroon ng lamat yung relasyon nila. Kaya ang malaking tanong dito sa parting ito ay, kailan ba ang tamang panahong bumitaw? At kailan ba pwede pang i-tolerate ang relationship? Ang sagot ko naman dyan ay, the right time for you to give up or the right time for you to go and move on is when you feel like you cannot work with that relationship anymore. If you feel and if you think that you are no longer in the position to tolerate and to continue the relationship despite the love that you have with one another, bumitaw ka na. Kasi baka hindi na para sa inyo yun. Pero kung sa tingin mo or may pagkakataon pang nararamdaman mo kahit konti, sabi ko nga, if there is this 1% of love that you have to that person, and there is this 1% that you think that you can still tolerate or you can still find a reason for you to continue, hanapan mo ng paraan ipagpatuloy. Fight for it, because it's not easy to be in a new relationship again. And always remember that no matter how you go to or you jump over to another relationship, pagdadaanan mo pa rin yung ganong klase ng sitwasyon or ganong klase ng panahon na magkakaroon kayo ng problema. Because it is not only to that person that you have felt that kind of feeling or that phase, but sa lahat ng relasyon, mararamdaman at maabot nyo rin yung punto na medyo magkakaroon ng problema, may hindi pagkakaunawaan at magiging shaky yung relationship ninyo. And lastly, doon sa parteng nakita ulit si Justine and si Lance, na doktor na si Lance. Si Justine naman ay meron ng sariling negosyo at nagkasorihan sila, nagkasabihan sila ng kanilang hindi natapos na or yung closure, no? The good thing about the movie is they had the chance to have this closure. And sabi ni Justine doon, kailangan na niyang bumalik sa father niya to check his father. And sabi naman niya kang Lance, ikaw. Actually, dalawa ang meaning noong ikaw na sinabi niya. Sabi ni Justine, alis na ako, babalik na ako sa father ko, ikaw. He was actually referring to Lance if what is Lance plan to them. Pero yun nga, siguro naging duwag si Lance na sagutin ang katanungan, and maybe he chose also to give Justine a better life without him. Kasi nga, baka mas masaya na si Justine na wala siya, or mas mainam na hindi na lang nila ipagpatuloy yung nasimulan nilang relasyon, kasi nga masaya na yung tao sa kung ano man at kung saan naman siya meron ngayon. So, maganda yung movie, and I recommend para dun sa mga taong may pinagdadaanan at siguro gustong ma-refresh yung kanilang nararamdaman and to feel young, try to watch the movie. Napakaganda po. Napakaganda. Mabibitin kayo pero napakaganda ng movie. So, my high praises to those who created the movie of 5 breakups and a romance. Napakaganda ng movie ninyo. Hopefully, meron pang part 2 ng movie na yun. So, thank you po. This is your Papa Jam saying goodbye.